In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Printify to your Squarespace website. If you're running an online store and want to streamline the process of adding custom products and managing inventory, connecting Printify to your Squarespace site is a smart move. This integration allows you to sync your Printify catalog with Squarespace seamlessly, so you can focus on growing your business while Printify handles fulfillment. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get started. First, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. If you typically use Google to access your Squarespace account, click on Continue with Google and choose the correct Google account associated with your website. This ensures you're logging into the right account without any confusion. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section where your websites are listed. From there, click on the specific website you want to connect to Printify. This step is important because if you manage multiple websites under the same account, you need to make sure you're working on the correct one. Taking this small moment to double-check can save you from accidentally linking Printify to the wrong site. Now open a new browser tab and go to Printify. Log into your Printify account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before continuing. Don't worry, setting up a Printify account is simple, and you can find a link in the description below to get started. Once you're logged into Printify, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, locate the Connect option and click on it. This is the starting point for linking Printify with your Squarespace store. Next, click on See Other Sales Channels. This will display a list of all the platforms that Printify can integrate with. From this list, select Squarespace. It's easy to spot, and choosing it will bring you one step closer to connecting the two platforms. Now click on Connect to initiate the linking process. At this stage, you'll be redirected to authorize the connection. On the authorization screen, click Allow. This step is crucial because it grants Printify the necessary permissions to access specific parts of your Squarespace account, such as managing products and processing orders. Without this approval, the integration won't work properly. Once you've authorized the connection, Squarespace may prompt you to complete additional steps to finalize the process. Follow any on-screen instructions carefully. These extra steps confirm the connection and ensure that Printify is fully linked to your Squarespace account, allowing for a smooth integration. After you've completed the authorization process, it's time to verify that the connection was successful. To do this, check if you're able to push products from your Printify catalog directly to your Squarespace store. A successful product sync means your inventory and orders will remain in sync moving forward, which is key to managing your online store efficiently. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't panic. Double-check each step to ensure nothing was missed. And if you're still having trouble, reach out to the support teams for Squarespace or Printify. They're there to help. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Printify to your Squarespace website. This integration will make it easier than ever to manage your custom products and provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.